What would you steal from the following Splits villains? Yogesh.
Shit.
His shit you will steal?
No.
Let's start with Yogesh.
I love how he is really good with his friends. Like I said, he's a good friend. Hate how he's a bad boyfriend. Maybe tolerating because I was the girlfriend. Yes.
Akanksha. Love, hate, tolerate.
I love how she stood up for herself on the show. I hate how she said a lot of bad things about me when I was not really involved. Oh, this is gonna be viral. I think I'll marry Akanksha.
What?
She's a pretty girl.
Of course she is.
Yeah, but not because of that.
Rukanksha.
Oh God, please don't. I don't want that.
The most ideal couple.
The most ideal couple, Yukansha. Chori chori chupke se mil lo.
Dogla.
Saurabh.
Loser.
Saurabh.
Fake.
Saurabh. Gullu is a watermelon.
Why?
बाहर से green flag, अंदर से red.
Oh!
I was in a relationship with somebody and he like passed away. 4 years पहले.
4 years पहले this
पहले
happened
हुआ
to
था.
you.
Yes.
How many years were you guys?
1. But it happened in a different country, so I could not even see him the last time.
Oh my god. So now, Ruru, we have a rapid fire with you, okay? And you have to be rapid. You have to be like, what's that? Clock
Clock
it.
it.
You have to clock it. Acha, it's like this. भाई ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
Yeah. Perfect.
जिनके नाखून है अच्छे खासे तो अच्छा दिखता है. मेरा कैसा बकवास दिख रहा है.
नहीं, it's
This is clock it. If you give a good answer, and if you are even better, then it's applause.
applause. Okay, perfect.
Okay. Rapid fire.
I'm scared of rapid fires. It's just
Don't be scared. You're not scared of anything. You just said it. What would you steal from the following Splits villains? It can be a person. It can be anybody. Anything. It can be a personality. Yeah. You can suppose they have a very good friend who you want in your life. Something like that. Okay. Or a project or anything. Gullu.
His humorous nature.
Yogesh.
Shit.
His shit. You will steal.
No.
For myself.
What will I steal from Yogesh?
What will you steal? You can steal any person also from his life who you think is a good friend to him. Maybe you want a friend like that. Maybe you want a person like that. Family member like that. Anything. You can steal it. His pet. I don't know.
He doesn't have a pet. Yogesh से क्या छुपा सकते हैं हम? Maybe his diesel के glasses. I'll just buy them myself.
Okay. Akanksha.
Akanksha. Maybe her lashes.
Kyra.
Kyra. Her empathetic heart. She's very empathetic.
Anushka.
Anushka. The highlighting power. Like she is very good with highlighting her cheeks.
Himanshu.
Himanshu से क्या चोरी करना? The way he speaks and he's not scared of anybody, right? Maybe that attitude.
Saurabh.
Oh my God, nothing. Maybe Apurva. I'll treat her better.
Okay, one thing you love, hate and tolerate. Just for the answer.
What?
One thing you love, hate and tolerate about these following people. Love, hate and tolerate. Love something about them, hate something about them, ठीक है, tolerate. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start with Yogesh.
I love how he is really good with his friends. Like I said, he's a good friend. Hate how How he's a bad boyfriend. Maybe tolerating because I was the girlfriend, yes.
No, but tolerate what?
The bad behavior when he was my boyfriend. Yes.
Akanksha, love, hate, tolerate.
I love how she stood up for herself on the show. I hate how she said a lot of bad things about me, and I'm tolerating the same shit, to be very honest.
Suzanne.
Suzanne. I loved her on the show because she was a cutesy little girl. She was like, she always used to sort out fights with me. So I liked that about her. I hate how she is, like, she always said that I don't want to say anything bad about you, how she wanted to be friends with me. But then, like, on the contrary, she's saying bad things about me and, commenting bad things about me. And what I tolerate. When I am not directly involved with you and I've never said anything bad to you, why do you always have to start with it first?
Okay. Sandarya.
I love her. Okay, so Saundarya is a really funny person. I love
She
that.
is.
Okay, so whenever
People misunderstand her,
Yeah.
but she's too funny and too sweet.
She's very funny. She's amazing. Like, as a person, like, I would sit with her and laugh all the time. So I love that about her. What I hate about Saundarya is that sometimes when she gets aggressive, sometimes I think उसका ego थोड़ा hurt हो जाता है and she gets थोड़ा सा little, sometimes she will say things that सामने वाला person can't take. So maybe that's something I won't say I hate anything about anybody. I dislike, I would rather say. What I tolerate about Saundarya is I don't tolerate her. I love her.
How sweet. Saurabh, love, date, and
Oh, God.
love, hate, and tolerate.
I don't think anything is there to love anymore, so I will just skip the love part. I hate everything about him and I tolerated him a lot. Everybody knows that. I'll just skip.
Okay. Your trigger point is anything.
My trigger point. When somebody is talking about my family, I think that is something which triggers me the most.
Losing somebody is also a trigger point.
Yeah.
Would you like to tell them why?
Oh, I was in a relationship with somebody and he like passed away. So I can't see somebody else doing the same thing again to me.
How many years were you in that relationship?
4.
Bapre. Anyway.
What did you ask me? 4 years pehle.
4 years pehle this
pehle
happened
hua
to
tha.
you.
Yes.
How many years were you guys?
1. But it happened in a different country, so I could not even see him the last time.
Oh my god. Kill, marry, hook up and date.
Kill, marry, hook up and date. Can we cut the hookup part? I don't do hookups.
So kill, marry and date.
Kill, marry and date is fine.
Okay. Saurabh, Yogesh,
Kill, so it's so obvious.
Gullu.
Why would you give me such options? Oh God. Oh my God.
Of course, it has to be difficult. No, it can't be that easy and straightforward.
Oh God. Oh God. I don't want to marry any of them. But I have to answer. Is it?
Yes.
I'll kill, of course. I don't want to kill him. This is extreme, but because of the segment, Saurabh, I'll date Gullu and marry Yogesh. I don't have an option. I would date neither one of them, nor I would marry any of them.
बट पता तो है ना कि प्रोमो में तो यही जाएगा भैया.
Oh God.
Of course, कुछ तो थोड़ा इसमें तो मजा करेंगे. But kill, marry and date again. Personality wise, Akanksha, okay, Niharika and Suzanne.
Oh God! Kill, marry and date.
Okay, I'm giving you one more option. You can.
Thank you, please.
Okay, Anushka.
Okay. Oh God.
And friend zone. Chalo, be a friend.
Yeah, I
with.
don't want to kill anybody. That's too extreme. Oh my God, why would you ask that?
चलो kill हटा देते हैं.
Kill हटा देते हैं.
Ignore
Ignore, okay, ignore is fine.
and friends. तो 4 है.
Friends भी.
हाँ 4 लोगों का नाम है ना. Ignore, marry, date, being friends with, like friend zone.
Oh, this is gonna be viral. I think I'll marry Akanksha. um, she's a pretty girl.
Of course she is.
Yeah, but not because of that.
Rukanksha.
Oh God, please don't. I don't want that.
Ruanksha.
I think I'll date.
What do you want to call your ship name though? Rukanksha.
I don't want the ship name to
Ruanksha.
happen.
I have a better one. Tara Taro. Tara Taro. In Bengali, Tara Tari means jaldi. Tara Taro. Tara Taro.
No.
Tara Taro. Tara Taro. Hey, your friend is also doing this. I think it's this applause. Say it applause. I think I am winning the hamper after saying Tara Taro.
Anyways. I think
Okay, marry Akanksha.
oh God, I was marrying Yogesh.
And you're marrying Akanksha. Oh my God, you've just...
I think I'll cancel.
No, but chalo, date, ignore and being friends with.
Okay, dating.
Niharika, Suzanne, Anushka.
Okay, I'll date Akanksha.
Date Akanksha?
Marry khatam ho gaya na?
Marry Akanksha.
Oh God. Okay, date. I'll ignore friends with.
Ignore who?
I think I'll ignore Suzanne for this particular because again I did not really like the comment and I did not really like how she was saying
you.
things about me without really like while telling me that like I'm your friend. Nobody does that.
So
right?
ignore.
I'll ignore Suzanne. I'll oh God. I'll date Anushka and be friends with Niharika.
Okay. Choices. Okay. Yogesh or Akanksha?
Can we skip this?
No.
Can I say neither?
No.
Okay, I feel at this moment, somebody who's done ज़्यादा बुरा to me, I'll just go ahead with that. So, Akanksha.
Okay. Saurabh or Akanksha?
Akanksha.
Okay. Anushka or Sandy?
I'm closer to Sandy. Sandy.
Himanshu or Diksha?
Why are you doing this to me? Oh God, she's already pissed. But everybody knows this, I guess. It's Himanshu. Himanshu.
Okay. Niharika or Asmita?
Asmita.
Okay. Apurva
Apurva. Okay.
or Niharika?
Apurva.
Who would you give the following labels to? Okay. Dogla.
Saurabh.
Loser.
Saurabh.
Fake.
Saurabh.
सौरभ के अलावा कोई नाम नहीं है?
Okay, I'll try.
Fake.
He's only fake, I feel.
डरावना. Scary.
Dharavna, I think definitely Diptanshu. He's scary when he's, doing all the mischiefs.
But he's so good.
He's amazing.
Yeah, he's my favorite.
Yeah.
One of my favorites. Two-timer.
गुल्लू को दिया था ना ये तो.
Funny guy.
Funny guy. Who's Gullu is really funny.
बैल बुद्धि.
Saurabh.
सारे गंदे.
No, he is actually like ये तो casting जो करते थे और जो भी वहाँ पे लोग थे ना, everybody used to make him understand that Saurabh, please speak for yourself. You're not like फिर वो ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाईचारा is taking you forward और maybe Niharika is taking you forward. So do something for yourself. ये तो हम भी सौरभ को समझा देते because you'll see why I said this because अभी ये coming episode में you will get to know.
But tell me something. सौरभ को तुमने fake बोला. What do you think about Saurabh and Niharika as a couple? A lot of people think it's real and a lot of people think it's PR, fake for the show.
देखते कितना चलेगा शो के बाद पता चल जाएगा ना.
Okay, the most ideal couple.
The most ideal couple, Yugangsha.
Who?
Yugangsha.
Sure.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
I said I'm the biggest
No,
supporter.
but why do you call them the most ideal couple?
चोरी चोरी चुपके से मिलना.
Oh my god. The least ideal couple.
The least ideal couple. I think it's on the show, right? Okay, I'll say Diptanshu and Sandy because Diptanshu is Aryanshi now.
Mastermind.
Mastermind. Diptanshu.
Baddie.
Sandy.
If Saurabh is Rajma Chawal, what are the following contestants? What food item will the following contestants be? You.
Me?
Yeah.
बहुत ही रेसिस्ट लग रहा था. मैं मोमो बोलने वाली थी but मैं रुक गई because I love momos.
No, but
I love momo.
without the slur, why not?
Okay, yeah.
Momo.
I love momo. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Yeah, have you eaten that pulse toffee?
हाँ.
बाहर से it's sweet,
And there's the khatta.
खट्टा. Like so, if you like me, you get my voice. I also you.
Oh, nice. Like it.
If that makes sense.
Where? No, sorry. Sadaf.
Sadav is Sadav. She's a sweet girl. I think Rasmalai.
Rasmalai. Okay. Gullu.
Gullu. Gullu is a watermelon.
Why?
बाहर से green flag, अंदर से red.
Oh! Kyra.
Kyra is also really sweet. She's a chocolate pudding.
Your favorite, Yogesh.
Same. Watermelon, can we put that? Like बाहर से green, अंदर से red. Yeah.
Akanksha.
Akanksha. Food. She's a salad. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Salad. Your salad are very rare too, you know. Like कभी अच्छे बनते हैं, कभी बुरे बनते हैं. So salad.
Suzanne.
She's a kid. Kinder Joy.
I think your answers for the whole segment. If not, last one, if not Yogesh, you would have been an ideal match with.
Nobody really. I really did not really have anybody on the show like जिसको मैंने कभी भी वैसे देखा हो या
No, not dekha ho, but I'm saying personality wise, who you think you would have been an ideal match with? Hypothetical question.
personality wise.
Nobody.
No, I'm done with this industry. I want to date a doctor now.
Wow.
I'm just kidding.
Are you dating somebody?
No. अभी तो क्या बोल रहे हो date तो it's a big word. I think I won't be. I'll see the marry मम्मी पापा के choice का लड़का and I'll shift outside.
I just want to tell you that you were so much fun. I feel that the world not only deserves but also should put you in situations where this side comes out more often. You know, it's not just your responsibility, it's as much their responsibility as much as it's yours to bring out this side of Ruru. You're a funny, sassy girl, and I think that's what the world should be seeing, and not somebody. It's okay. Whatever has happened, it's life experiences. Everybody goes through it, but hopefully you will get over it and you will be like, we'll kill it. No nonsense, only nonsense.
Oh my god.
My channel is called Nonsense because of that. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.
you.